I've been waking up alone. You left me here hours ago. Obsessively check my phone. Do you even know? Pick apart your every word. Push it down like I'm unconcerned. I've been damaged. Wait until you finally call my bluff. Counting down the days till you realize I'll never be
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a very special blog. So today is a CA convocation and this is a dream come true for every CA aspirants. So we are here at Leela Place at Karkaduma and there was going to happen this convocation and view is amazing and weather is also so good because we have to stand in the queue for a very long time. If weather is not good, we gonna die. So that's amazing. And the hotel and the interior and the outer section is so pretty. Now time to collect kit. कॉन्वोकेशन में किट मिलता है जिसमें सारे पेपर्स होते हैं लाइक सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ मेंबर्स, सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. तो ये मिल गया हमें. उसके साथ उन्होंने हमें एक टाई दिया, उसमें एक पेन है, एक स्टिकर देते हैं जो सीए अपने कार्ड के पीछे लगाते हैं. उसके बाद एक की रिंग होते हैं. ये सारी चीज़ लेके लुक एट द गाय हु अचीव्ड ऑल द थिंग्स. So I'm so happy and so proud on him. This is so beautiful feeling. And ये सब होने के बाद we got dressed up. ये ड्रेस वहाँ पे रेंट करना होता है. आई थिंक हमें 1000 रुपीज़ देनी पड़ती है और ड्रेस लेकर आप इसे यूज़ करो. फिर यू हैव टू रिटर्न इट बैक एंड दे विल रिटर्न यू बैक योर मनी. एंड दिस इज़ ओथ टाइम. और वहाँ पे मिस्टर पीयूष गोयल जी भी आए हुए थे. तो उन्होंने सेरेमनी को स्टार्ट किया. उन्होंने बहुत से स्पीच दी और सेरेमनी में भी पार्टिसिपेट किया. फिर उसके बाद द फंक्शन गोना स्टार्टेड और सारे लोगों को एक एक करके बुलाया गया. देयर वाज 2000 मेंबर्स हु बिकम न्यूली चार्टर्ड. सो दैट वाज अमेजिंग. So you can keep watching and enjoy this vlog. Hope you're gonna like it, love it, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye, see you soon.
Preparation of schools, fair and transparent financial statements. Okay, now due to technical glitch, Nandaji couldn't complete his address, but now I am requesting CSP to actually now please address the audience.
I can't really help this shit. I'm so hyper vigilant. I admit it, I'm taking score. Just to throw it in your face. Don't know why I do these things. Don't wanna be me anymore. Wait until you finally come through. Counting down the days till you realize I'll never be enough. Blame myself a mess again. Keep it alright.
CA Nancy Goyal. CA Divya Bala. CA Pritam Ravi. CA Gaurav Singh. CA Sachin Jain.
Please join the queue.
I know you handle it well, and you know I don't, and you know I don't. I've been waking up alone. You left me here hours ago. Obsessively check my phone. Do you even know? Pick apart your every word. Push it down like I'm unconcerned. I've been damaged and it shows. Wonder, can you tell? Wait until you finally call my bluff.